Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning how to set up the dependable drop down options. So these are dynamic drop down boxes which can be used in different ways. For example, if a region head for Asia is looking at his report, he can select Asia and he can select his individual countries from Asia. Whereas if a region head from Europe is looking at the report, he can select the European countries. So this is a dynamic drop down option which can be put up in Excel. So let's get started and learn how can we do it. Let me just remove these and begin from the starting. I'll just remove this. Okay, so first we need to set up a drop down for the regions here. So we'll go to data tab and select data validation. Under the setting tab we need to select the list option. Click on this arrow and select the three regions, which is Europe, Asia and America. Click on OK. There will be a drop down here. Okay, now we need to convert this range into a table. So we'll do a shortcut for that. We'll press Ctrl T to create a table. Click on OK. Now we need to name this range. So I want to call this range as Europe, this range as Asia, and this range as America. So on the second option, second drop down, we'll go to again data validation and click on list here. And for this we need to set up a function here. So we will insert the function which says indirect bracket, and the range for region is C4. So $C $4 bracket close. Okay, so if I click on this, it'll give me the European countries. If I change this to Asia, the Asian countries will reflect here. Similarly, if I select America here, the American countries should reflect here. So this will be very useful if you have a region head who wants to look into his performance of his region. So he can select his region and automatically the countries will change, and he can select his country to view the performance of that country. So if you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.